Emmanuel, uzi tererare Uburundi ifite?
Do you know how much rare earth the Burundi has?
Uburundi
Burundi,
bufite tererare.
it has rare
Tererare
rare
nirimo ikora muri biyogajuru.
is what is
Kuko
being
tererare
used in
igendana
space.
nikere.
Because it works with nickel.
Uburundi ni ubwa gatandatu bufite reserve mondiale ku isi ya nikele na tererare.
Burundi is the
Ni gute
sixth.
abarundi bakena bafite tererare? Ni gute umurundi yasonza? Ntimukenera abanyamerika, nimwe banyamerika. Tererare.
Burundi has the sixth deposit of rare earth and nickel in the
nickel.
world. Nickel in the world. How can Burundians be poor?
6% reserve mondiale ya nikele.
6%.
Kandi ibyo ni ibyavuzwe n'ababirigi batabikunda. Ushobora gusanga ari 60%.
And that was spoken by the Belgian who don't like Burundi. You might find out that it's 60% instead.
Donc ibi byose mubona ibi ni tererare, aya makompiyuta ni tererare, ibiyogajuru ni tererare.
Everything you see that is being produced is produced by rare earth.
Nukuvuga ngo umuntu akize uruganda rwonye rwa tererare i Bujumbura hatabaye amakomplikasiyo ya za ruswa n'ubutegetsi niki, abarundi bageze ku bihumbi 70 babona akazi. Kandi abagabo n'abagore babonye akazi ibihumbi 70 bagaburira amafamiye arenze ibihumbi 170. Ubukene bwashira.
If there's a company for manufacturing or converting rare earth, it can feed about 70,000 people who can feed about 100 and some families.
Donc, timugomba gutegereza ngo muraja muri Afrika kuzana amaminere. No. Mugomba kujyana inganda z'amaminere muri Afrika. Kugira ngo zibe produit hariya abanyagihugu babone utuzi. Intambara dufite zaba mayimayi zabande bariya bose. Ziriya ni intambara z'ubukene. Ushize uruganda hariya bose bakarya $100 100 ninde warara hanze. Kibishoboka izi ni intambara z'ubukene inzara. Niyo umuntu avuga ngo turi mwene wacu wewe nturi ububwoko we ni inzara, iyo wamuhaye ifaranga ntiyongera kuvuga. Umuntu wagaburiye azamenya ubwoko bwawe ahita avuga ngo uyu ni ndugu yangu, yariye neza gahaga agenda guprezanga uri mwene wabo. Ikibazo cy'amoko si kibazo mu by'ukuri mu mitima y'abantu, nta bwoko bubamo. Mu mutima w'umuntu haba ufite, iyo wazanye ukuboko kumufasha ububaye mwene wabo. Nta wanga umufasha, ntibibaho, nta wica umufasha.
All the wars you see is because of poverty. People are hungry. If you feed people, they are no longer going to call you foreigners or strangers. It's because you are the hand that helps. They are going to join you and work with you.
Why muri Amerika mubona nta ntambara zihaba mu bikini? Nuko
why don't you see war in
nta
America?
utagira icyarya.
It's because everyone is fed.
Aba banyamerika mubonye babuze ibiryo icyumweru batemana ku rutugo twatemanye. Ariko baragikemuye ico. Inzara ni ituma umuntu atemundi.
These Americans, you see, if they don't have food for 1 week, they will kill each other more than we kill each other in Africa.
Inzara iyi.
Poverty,
mwari abagabo mwe mu burara ariko mukaramukanya muracyari abantu. Jesi mbona ko twageze kure, haracyari ibyiringiro.
There is hope because you are still alive.
Wabonye isi yose yasaze ngo Benjamin Netanyahu ngo yicisha abantu bigaza inzara, abicwa n'inzara muri Kongo barangana gute? Abicwa n'inzara muri Somalia barangana gute? Mwari mwabona babivuga? Ntibarabivuga.
You see how
dupfusha bakeya. Katari hapfuye abantu batatu, isi yavugije induru. Ntibirirwa mupfusha abantu. Condamnation ari zihaba. No. Ngo Gaza hari inzara. Inzara irigazira rutiri iwanyu. Tibirirwa bohereza ibiryo no mu mitaka hejuru. Hari ibyo bari bohereza iwanyu. No. Why this? Nta uzabakorera ni mwebwe. Ni mwe banyamerika. Nicyo cyatumye Imana ibazana muri ibi bihugu ngo muhinduke ba Yosefu bazaramira umuryango wa Yakobo mu gihe cy'inzara.
The world is screaming about Gaza and the famine that is happening there. But there is more famine in Congo, but no one speaks about it. No one raises those concerns. You are the ones who are supposed to be doing that. You are the Josephs that God sent here in America so that you can save your brothers in the future.